I'm WSA 9 meteorologist Topper Shutt. Hurricane Sally still a Category 2, and in fact, forecast to become a high-end Category 2 by Tuesday. So here's the deal. As of 11 o'clock on Monday night, it's about 90 miles east of the mouth of the Mississippi. And we have hurricane warnings essentially through the eastern part of Louisiana up toward Navarro, Florida. And then on either side of that, we have tropical storm warnings. So winds are 100, gusts to 120. Movement is 3 miles an hour, and this is what's concerning in terms of rainfall and storm surge. As it kind of hangs offshore, it can keep its intensity because it's going to feed off the warm Gulf water, but it's not going to make landfall. I mean, this is 7 o'clock on Tuesday, winds 105, still pretty far from land. Now it appears to be making landfall late Tuesday night as a Category 2 between Mobile and Biloxi. And notice that Mobile Bay is also under that hurricane warning, as is Lake Pontchartrain in New Orleans, but I think a little more serious for places like Gulfport and Biloxi and Mobile. Hey, for us, it moves north and then northeast, then east. Look how long it takes to get to just around Atlanta and Columbia, South Carolina. That's Friday at 11 o'clock, 11:30 at night. We're going to be okay. That's all going to stay to our south. So let's go over the categories. So it's a Category 2 right now, 96 to 110. But notice 111 to 129 is a Category 3 or, quote, major hurricane. Not out of the question. It could just jump briefly into Category 3 status. Rainfall, I don't think this even does it justice. 18 inches in Biloxi, could be 20, could be 25. I think we could see as much as 7 to 8 inches in Jackson, Mississippi. Because of the slow movement, a lot of flooding is going to be occurring, not just along the Gulf Coast, but inland as well as it creeps its way north and then northeast and east. Best news I see is the storm surge is reduced a little bit, anywhere from about 4 to about 10 feet. It was up to 12 feet and 13 feet earlier today, so that's a little bit better if you're around Gulfport, Biloxi, or even Mobile. But notice Mobile Bay is going to get a pretty good storm surge, probably in the order of 8 feet. So, again, it's now a Category 2. Main threats flooding along a large storm surge, landfall around Tuesday night, and it will be now east of New Orleans.